In this video, I'm going to talk about the topics paper. What this paper asks you to do is basically select one of the chapters or one of the topics that we cover in our book and write a little bit that helps you to understand that topic or chapter a little bit further. For example, I'm interested in technology, so I would select a chapter that talks about technology and how that impacts health communication, and I'd also link in some outside content to help round out that discussion. So let's say I talk about that chapter, I might find an article that talks about something like Apple Watch, or how people might use mobile devices to track their fitness and how that impacts their health, or how they talk about their health, or maybe how it helps them make healthier decisions. What you should do is basically provide an explanation of the topic or chapter you're talking about, linking in your outside content and explaining that, and then also developing the connection between the topic or chapter and that outside content. What you want to avoid doing is doing simply just a summary of the chapter. That's not really the goal of the assignment. The main goal of the assignment is for you to look at one of the topics or chapters in more depth, but then importantly, linking in outside content, developing that connection, developing that link, and explaining it through a paper. Now, I have one quick point to make, and that's that this could be due at multiple points during the term. You're only completing this assignment once, but you should turn it in when we reach the topic or chapter that you are interested in. So if you're picking a chapter that we cover in, let's say, Module 4 is when you would submit this assignment. If you pick a chapter or topic that we cover in Module 3 is when you submit this assignment to Canvas. What I think you should do is I would recommend avoid waiting until the last module or literally the last minute to do this assignment. Instead, pick a topic or chapter that you're interested in, that you want to find out more about. That's when you should do this. So make sure you're looking at the course schedule, make sure you're looking at the content that we're covering in each module, make sure you're looking at the syllabus for some of that information so that you can plan out which module you're going to be working on this and which module you're going to be submitting this. As always, make sure to look at the assignment description. I've got details in there about the format of the paper, some of the details you should take a look at when you're writing the assignment. So make sure you look at the assignment page for the topics paper. I'll also likely have some information about this in one of the earlier modules. So make sure you take a look at those resources before you start writing the paper. And as always, you can contact your instructor in case you have any questions about this assignment.